Hey guys, welcome to Tech Learnings. In our framework series, we had started up with Spring and I had published an article related to Spring basics. So if you have not gone through that article, I would highly recommend you to go through that article first before proceeding further in this video because it will help you understand what is Spring and why to actually use it and what are different modules or features which Spring provide us. Okay. So let's try to understand or learn today how to create a Spring MVC project. So right click new, then choose the Spring Legacy project option. If it is not visible, then go to other and type Spring, and then it shows us multiple options. For the time being, I'll be selecting Spring Legacy project, then project name Spring MVC demo. Then select Spring version, so it is disabled, so Spring is going to choose the version itself. Then it provides us a set of templates. Right now we'll be selecting Spring MVC project. Hit next, then top level package, let's say I say demo.spring.mvc. Hit finish. Okay, workspace getting built up. Now let's see, in our src main Java, Spring has created a controller for us which is home controller. Okay, so it is containing a method home, and then it has request mapping slash, so it is going to be invoked when we run our application, and it is returning a string which is home, so it will be pointing to the view with the name home. Then it is logger is also by default provided to us. All right, so it is the logger.info line. Then we are getting the date object, and inside our model interface we are adding an attribute server time, which is containing the time now or date now, you can say. Okay, so this is a controller class for us which is ready made, built by Spring for us. Let's explore our project further. In src main resources, we have log4j.xml, since I said that logging is by default enabled for us. We have used it in this controller class method as well. So log4j is the one which is Spring providing to us by default, with the appender name console, and you can see the target is sysout. We can learn about logging separately. Alright, so I'm not going into the details for now. Then we have pom.xml. It's very important to look at this as well. We see the Spring version is 3.1.1. Since we created a Spring legacy application, so Spring by default has chosen the version 3.1.1 for us. Okay, you can choose or you can change the version here, then Spring will implicitly download the dependencies if it is not there in your system. Okay, so you can easily upgrade your application to higher version as well. Then there are aspect.j and sl4j and related dependencies implicitly added by Spring for us in this application. Then let's go to src main web app. Okay, we have views, and in views we have our home.jsp. Okay, so home controller was returning the string home, and so it will be pointing definitely to your home.jsp, which is printing the time on server is server time. This is the expression language, and we are also setting up here this attribute server time. Okay, so this is view. Let's see web.xml as well. We have a context param, then we have listener tags, then we have the servlet and servlet mapping. So the dispatcher servlet is implicitly added. Alright, so these configurations related to Spring again are by default added by Spring for us. Next is inside the Spring we have servlet context.xml. Inside it we have annotation driven, which you can see here in the comment as well, that it is for enabling the Spring MVC at the rate controller programming model. Alright, I think I need not explain that. Resources will be under your resources, SRC main resources, then your view resolver, alright, then your prefix and suffix. WebANF views is going to contain your views, we can see here as well. Then suffix is going to be .jsp, which we can see it is home.jsp. Then another important thing is context component scan. So which packages it will be scanning for your controller classes? It will be scanning demo.spring.mvc. Alright, so it will be able to find out our controller class. Okay, so this is the overview of the application which Spring has implicitly created for us. Let's now try to run it. I just say run as run on server, choose the server. Okay, I select this. Okay, it says it started. Server startup is done, and here we are with our application running absolutely fine. Okay, so the time on the server is 25th March. So this is the view which is presented by home.jsp, and in here in the console we can also see our logger printed. Okay, so this is how you can create a Spring MVC application. We'll be studying more aspects, more details, more features of Spring in our upcoming tutorials. But for now, I guess you would be able to create Spring MVC project yourself as well. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit like, comment, subscribe, share, and see you next time. Bye bye.